Dear student, take in practical question number 11. ABC entered into partnership on 1st April 2017 with capital of rupees 10 lakh, 8 lakh and 5 lakh respectively. On 1st July 2017, B advanced rupees 2 lakh and on 1st December 2017, C advanced rupees 1 lakh by way of loan to the firm. The profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2018 disclosed a profit 7,70,000, but the partners could not agree upon the rate of interest on loan and the profit sharing ratio. Prepare partners capital account and loan account. तो अगर पार्टनर्स एग्रीड नहीं है इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन के लिए तो अकॉर्डिंग टू पार्टनरशिप एक्ट इंटरेस्ट चार्ज एट द रेट ऑफ 6% पर एनम. Now, information interest on loan provided to partners treated as charge against profit. Now, first prepare profit and loss account. In a profit and loss account, credit side buy balance your profit before interest amount rupees 7,70,000 to interest on loan B and C. B's loan amount rupees 2 lakh at the rate of 6% for advance on 1st July to 31st March. 9 month. Amount rupees 2 lakh at the rate of 6% for 9,000 and C advance rupees give a loan 1 lakh at the rate of 6% for C advance 1st December to 31st March 4 month. $2,000. Now interest on loan B provided 9,000 and C 2,000. Total 11,000. Now profit transfer to PL appropriation 7,70,000, 70,000. Net profit transfer to PL appropriation. Next, prepare PL appropriation for the distribution of profit. By profit and loss account 7,59,000. Debit side, two partners capital A, B, C. Partners could not agree profit sharing ratio. Now profit sharing ratio equally total 7,59,000 profit distributed in partners in equal proportion equally 2,53,000 each. After PL appropriation, prepare partners capital account buy balance capital balance 10 lakh 8 lakh and 5 lakh. In a PL appropriation, profit distributed in partners in equal proportion by PL appropriation 2,53,000 each. Now partners capital account closed. Find out balancing figure 12,53,000 10,53,000 7,53,000. To balance carried down 12,53,000 10,53,000 7,53,000. And next prepare partners loan account. Loan provided by B and C. Loan as a liability. Credit balance. Liability always showed credit balance. Buy balance or cash or bank. B provided loan rupees 2 lakh and C provided loan rupees 1 lakh. Buy interest on loan 9,000 and 2,000. Now partners loan account closed 2,09,000 total liabilities to balance carried down. Next practical question number 13. A, B, C are partners in a firm. Profit and loss in the ratio of 2:3:5 on 1st July 2015. AB guaranteed loan rupees 2 lakh and 1 lakh respectively to the firm. So the distribution of profit and loss for the year ended 31st March 2016 in the following cases. Case 1. If the profit before interest for the year amounted rupees 7,500, if the loss before interest for the year amounted to rupees 7,500. In a case 1, firm showed a profit rupees 7,500. In case 2, some firm show a loss before interest amount 7,500. Interest on loan provided to the partners treated as charge against profit, यानी कि प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में शो करेंगे, चाहे वो फर्म में प्रॉफिट हो या लॉस. चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट, दैट मीन्स बिजनेस ऑपरेशन एक्सपेंसेस, नाउ शो इन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. प्रिपेयर PL account. By balance, in a case 1, 7,500, and debit side 2 interest on loan provided to A and B. A and B guaranteed loan rupees 2 lakh and 1 lakh respectively to the firm. Now loan amount 2 lakh at the rate of partners do not agree the interest on loan percentage. Now according to partnership tax 6% per annum for July to 31st March 9 month, and B loan provided rupees 1 lakh at the rate of 6% on 1st July for 9 month, 2 lakh 6% 9 month 9,000, 1 lakh 6% for 9 month 4,500. Now interest on loan A amount 9,000 and B 4,500. Total 13,500. Profit available in a firm 7,500. Interest on loan provided to A and B total 13,500. Now as a loss in a firm, loss rupees 13,500 minus 7,500, loss rupees 6,000, distributed in partners by partners capital A, B and C. Profit sharing ratio 2:3:5. Now 1,200, 1,800 and 3,000. Next, this is case A and case B. If the loss before interest for the year amounted 7,500, now again prepare profit and loss account. Loss, so always debit balance. Now debit side to balance brought down, loss amount 7,500. Interest on loan provided to partners treated as charge against profit, now recorded in debit side. Interest on loan as a loss, debit side A and B. A interest on loan 9,000 and B 4,500, total 13,500. Now loss rupees 21,000 distributed in partners by partners capital A, B and C. Profit sharing ratio 2:3:5, 4,200, 6,300 and 10,500. Now question number 13 complete. Next, question number 14. A, B and C are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss equally. On 1st April 2018, their fixed capital rupees 8 lakh, 6 lakh and 6 lakh respectively. On 1st October 2018, A advanced rupees 1 lakh to the firm, whereas C took a loan of rupees 1,50,000 from the firm. On the same day, it was agreed among the partners that C will pay interest 10% per annum. तो ए बी सी 3 पार्टनर्स हैं, कैपिटल दे रखा है। 1 अक्टूबर को ए ने फर्म को लोन दिया है और दूसरी तरफ सी लोन ले रहे हैं फर्म से कितने का, 1,50,000 का, जिस पे सी को इंटरेस्ट पे करना है 10% पर एनम। प्रॉफिट फॉर द ईयर इंडेड 31 March 2019 amounted to rupees 4,20,000 before allowing or charging interest on loan. Pass journal entry for interest on loan and prepare current account of the partners. First journal entry pass. Question number 14. ए लोन रुपीज़ 1 लाख, इस पे फर्म इंटरेस्ट पे करेगा, कोई एग्रीड परसेंटेज नहीं है, 6% की रेट से फर्म पे करेगा। जनरल एंट्री, इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन अकाउंट डेबिट to A's loan account. Now calculate A advance given rupees 1 lakh at the rate of 6% for 1st October to 31st March for 6 months, 3,000 rupees. And another side, from interest received from C, now C's loan account debit to interest on loan C's loan amount rupees 1,50,000 on same day 1st October at the rate of 10% per annum for 6 months, 7,500 or 7,500. And next entry for interest on loan and interest on A's loan and interest on C's loan are transferred to profit and loss account. Now general entry. For transfer entry, interest on A's loan as a loss, debit, transfer to profit and loss account. Now profit and loss account, debit to interest on A's loan, amount 3000 and 3000. And next, interest on loan on debit to profit and loss account in C's loan, 7500, 7500. Now prepare profit and loss account. For better understanding, buy balance brought down profit in a firm rupees on 31st March 2019 amounted 4,20,000. Debit side to interest on loan, A's loan 3000 by interest on loan for C's loan 7500 is received by the firm. Now profit 4,20,000 7,500, 4,27,500 minus 3,000, 4,24,500 to balance carried down, which are transferred to PL appropriation. Now general entry, profit and loss account, debit to PL appropriation account 4,24,500, 24,500. Now profit transfer to PL appropriation. PL appropriation account, debit to A's current account to B's current account to C's current account. 4,24,500 distributed in partners equally. 1,41,500 each partners. Now prepare partners current account. A, B, C. Now by PL appropriation 1,41,500, 1,41,500, 41,500 to an interest on A's loan transfer to A's loan account and interest on C's loan transfer to C's current account. Now debit side to interest on loan. Now interest on loan debited amount rupees 7,500 in C's current account. Now C's current account will be closed. 1,41,500 minus 7,500 1,34,000 and B and A same amount. To balance. Now partner's current account complete. Next, practical question number 16. X and Y partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2 with capital rupees 10 lakh and 5 lakh respectively. As per the partnership deed, they are to be allowed interest on capital at the rate of 8% per annum. The net profit for the year ended 31st March 2016 before providing for interest on capital amounted to rupees 45,000. So the distribution of profit. Distribution of profit shown in profit and loss appropriation account. First we calculate interest on capital. Now X capital rupees 10 lakh at the rate of X capital rupees 10 lakh at the rate of 8% for whole year. Amount 80,000 and Y capital rupees 5 lakh at the rate of 8% amount 40,000. Total interest on capital provided by the firm is 1,20,000, but profit available in a firm only rupees 45,000. तो इस सिचुएशन में इनसफिशिएंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट कह सकते हैं. इनसफिशिएंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट की कंडीशन में प्रॉफिट अवेलेबल है 45,000. तो इनसफिशिएंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट की कंडीशन में हम इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल अवेलेबल अमाउंट यानी कि 45,000 तक ही प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. और यहाँ पे 45,000 प्रॉफिट को एप्रोप्रिएशन रेशियो यानी कि एप्रोप्रिएशन रेशियो यानी कि पार्टनर्स को इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल प्रोवाइड करना है 80,000 एंड 40,000 फॉर एक्स एंड वाई. इसी रेशियो में एप्रोप्रिएशन रेशियो यानी कि 8:4. इसको और सिंपल करेंगे 2:1 के रेशियो में अवेलेबल प्रॉफिट 45,000 को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे. जो प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो है हमारा क्वेश्चन में 3:2 इसको इग्नोर कर दिया जाएगा. तो क्या ध्यान रखना है, इनसफिशिएंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट की कंडीशन में अवेलेबल प्रॉफिट को एप्रोप्रिएशन रेशियो में ही डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे यानी कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल रेशियो या कैपिटल रेशियो बोथ आर सेम. नाउ प्रिपेयर PL appropriation account for the distribution of profit by profit and loss rupees 45,000 debit side to interest on capital X and Y 45,000 profit sharing ratio 2:1. Now 30,000 and 50,000 and 15,000 distributed in partners in appropriation ratio. Now question number 16 complete.